Alright, so when you're clearing the bearings on your new MYT glider, there are several ways you could do it. First of all, you can just leave the whole carriage on and just pop off the little pasties here with any kind of small tool that can fit in the groove. You take regular cotton swab and use isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol, whichever works. Don't use any lubricants on this because it'll get the rails greasy and the bearings greasy and it'll get stuck. Then you just put the cotton swab in and move the carriage. There, that's the first way. Or if you want to get thorough, you can remove the end cap. Take the entire carriage off. Remove the bearings. Just use cotton swab again. Get inside and just rub it along the wheel. It's also good to take it off so you can clean the sleeve on the inside. And that's it. Pop them back on. Carriage back on. End cap back on. And put the coverings on. Keep dirt out.